already been placed for our very last Temptations Today special value of the year. I have to get my paws on real quick. This lady, Tara
I gotta
Tesher.
put my mug down for this.
Hi!
How
I gotta
are
get
you?
my mug next to your mug. You know what?
Cheers
it's a
to that.
mug-tastic day.
Magnificent.
Magnificent. Hashtag magnificent.
It's true.
This is Tara Tesher. We're going to take a mug shot real quick at Tara. She's the creator and designer of the Temptations family of brands.
Yes.
And this mug set is something that we've never done before as a Today Special Value.
Correct.
Last year, we had the mugs from Temptations. They blew out the door. And this year, we brought them back bigger.
Yes.
More options.
Yes.
And now they have little matching gift boxes.
Of course they do. Coordinated to literally bow and go. Gift to yourself, and then, of course, breaking it apart and gifting it to others as well.
It's so good to see you.
It's so good to see you,
You know what? Our testimonial line is wide open. The magnificent testimonial line is open.
Do you love that?
Mugstimonial, whatever. 800-395-1601. We have 4 options for you today.
Yes.
This whimsical
Is so stinking cute.
I can't even get my brain around it.
I have
love
to
it.
tell you, our characters are wildly popular. If you're new to Temptations, Temptations has been here for over 17 years now at this point, and we've been sharing our iconic patterns and characters throughout that time. So I'm thrilled that we have them in our mugs. As Mary mentioned, we debuted these this time last year. They were smaller. We finally brought them back. It only took us over a year. But we have our snowman, which we named Mr. Bojingles.
Stop it.
We didn't actually. The customers came up with that great name. And then, of course, over here we have our gingerbread character. That's Gumdrop. Oh. And I love the fact that you have that hand-applied accent on the front and the back, as well as all of the individual hand painting all the way around. Then down in front, we also have Penny, our penguin, and then the man of the year, Santa.
So cute.
The Whimsy have the cardinals. That's in honor, of course, of my father. I include the cardinal there. And 16 ounces go in the oven up to 500 degrees, so you can cook in these, and we'll show you that. Goes in the microwave, so you can reheat, which is fantastic. Cheers to that. The dishwasher, best part, and of course the fridge and the freezer.
Winter Whimsy, already popular.
Well, let's talk about polka dots, because this is the perfect companion to Whimsy. This is also our holiday collection in our polka dots. So we did your classic colors that you would expect. Your beautiful blue. Your blue, of course, is going to match back with Whimsy. So we were showing you this last night.
Gorge.
All of the color palettes work together. It's a family of colors. Then, of course, we have your black. Love the way that looks. Look how fun the black and the green, your little gingerbread, because you have that black and white trim up top.
So cute.
Designed and meant to be together. And then down in front, we have your classic red polka dot. I'm just going to sing. I'm so excited about this. And then, of course, we have your green polka dot. I think polka dots is that universal. It's been in fashion for years and years and years, and you can never go wrong if you're thinking about gifting them or just keeping them for yourself.
Longtime social friend Mina, who chats with us in the kitchen with David, in the kitchen with Mary, and on your page. Mina, we have dots.
We get lots of requests.
She always looks for the dots.
Right.
We have the dots.
We have the dots.
But you know what? What if I already am a collector and I want to matchy-matchy?
If you're a collector, this is by far the one you're going to want to get, because, again, you don't always have to have all the same mugs, but you can have that rainbow of colors, right? That crayon color look. Your blue, your black, of course, your classic, mixing and matching your old world and your floral lace pattern together in one mug. Mind-blowing. And you have the silhouette of that chubby belly. You have the little pedestal on the bottom, the oversized handle. Green is where it all started. At one point 17 years ago, we only had one color. And then, of course, red to round out your classic. Love that set. Probably not the most. I love them all the most, but this is the most universal to our iconic pattern.
Already 1,000 ordered just this morning.
Thank you.
Take a look.
Okay. Brand new.
Obsessed with the stripes.
With our metallics, right? So we hear from you all the time. You love that metallic look. But again, can it still go in the microwave? It can. Can it still go in the oven? Absolutely. So you have your gold, you have your platinum or your little silver there. Look at the rose gold. Absolutely beautiful with that stripe detail, with that metallic glow. And then next door to that, we have actually our champagne. Look at how beautiful that color combo is. This is what I love about this. You have 16 very distinct different mugs, 16 different gifts, and then, of course, for yourself, the collection that you want to collect.
Little chubby belly.
Yes.
I mean, little pop belly.
Yes.
I mean, so cute. Hold on. They're $24. I know. They're also on 6 easy payments of $4. I know. But you know what? The mug cakes. Okay, wait. You and I launched Tara's Dip.
Yes, we did.
Tara does food. Y'all know this?
I do now.
If you're a Nista, you do.
Hello.
The mug cakes are also available. Now, the mug cakes are on your screen right now, M65933. Tara at home, set of 8. Individually packed mug cakes.
Correct.
If I got 2 sets of the Today Special Value and 1 set of the mug cakes, I have a full round. I'm giving cake and eating
Absolutely.
it too.
And we have a combo pack where you can do the vanilla, the classic confetti, and you can do the cheeky chocolate. So you could actually buy 1 set of mugs, 1 of those, and give them a chocolate and vanilla. But can I show you? This is what I think about when I think about our mugs. Because yes, mugs are great, and we think about the universal gift, right? It's something someone's going to use every day and always has a reason to, whether it's water, whether it's tea, whether it's coffee.
For sure.
But our mugs are bakers as well, and that's what's so special about Temp-tations. The fact that this isn't just something you're going to use for coffee and tea, it's also things that you're going to use for, let's start right where you are, which is that mac and cheese with, of course, our bacon. So you can put this in the microwave if you have leftovers. You can cook right in here. It goes right in the oven. There's your classic tea next door to that. You can actually just look right overhead and I'll walk you through it all. Here's one of our mug cakes. We decorated it in the unicorn. How great is that? You bake the mug cake and then you decorate it. We did caprese salads. Your mugs can go in the fridge and the freezer so they'll stay nice and cold throughout the meal. Here's your rigatoni with your cheese on top. Love that. I eat out of a mug all the time because it's 16 ounces of capacity, and I love the fact that I can control what I'm eating. Here's our tomato soup over here. So this could be your chili. This could be your French onion soup, tomato soup. This could be the soup you bring to the office out of the can, heat it up because you've given this to your office mate, and now he or she can heat up their soup while they're at the office. We did a fruit salad here.
Love it.
Again, cold things cold. Now there's your breakfast.
Love it.
Right? We did a little stir fry with our noodles. Isn't that cute? Little takeout. Little takeout instead of getting out a bowl. How about your breakfast cereals? How about your Irish coffees? Yes, you can do some of those fun desserts in there. We did a hot fudge sundae, and then we wrap up with our oatmeal or granola.
That cobbler too.
Right, we just
okay
gave you 12 different reasons why you want one of our mugs versus another mug out there.
We've had 1,600 orders already placed in the show because we have the stripes, we have the classics, we have the polka dots, and we have the winter whimsy available right now. But as the day goes on, if you've ever watched QVC before, we know that these have a tendency to fly. We learned last year because 55,000 sets were ordered. This year, we brought in more options. We also brought in them in a little bit of a bigger size. Each mug is 16 ounces. But when it comes to the world of Temp-tations, more than 19 million sets and individual items have been sold here at QVC. And my mother used to work for a huge, when I was growing up, we were all about dishes. We had a huge name brand in the house and we had all kinds of finds in the house. This is centertaining, still done in a gift set for the holidays for $24. And so we do have 6 easy payments of $4 available for you. But now you're making a little
mulled cider.
A little mulled
cider. So I
cider.
love the fact that, again, everybody can help themselves. These glasses now become the perfect way to serve your hot beverages, your cold beverages, your everyday beverages. And I just want to show you something really quick. Can we go back to the microwave?
Yes.
Okay. So this was actually a great idea. How about making an egg bake in your mug? Is that something you would think about?
No, but I will now.
3 scrambled eggs that we put in here. We put a little scallions, we put some bacon in here, and now we're going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and then you and I are going to go make some little, whatchamacallit.
I love whatchamacallit.
You know, parfaits.
Parfait? Who doesn't like a parfait?
A parfait, yeah. So that's what I love. You want to join me at the fridge?
Absolutely.
All right, let's do this.
Here's the other thing, too. I put a little can of soup. I know you were mentioning this earlier in my bag every single day.
I'm getting there. I'm getting there.
First parfaits, Mare.
So I left them alone so that they would be gluten-free, and then you could put your little thing on it
so
in case you're hungry. So
You're so
here's what I
cute.
love. Here's your breakfast, right? Let's go over here. You go on that side, I'll go on this side. You can pick your mug.
Keep it shut.
Make sure that's shut. But now you have, of course, in the morning, we're starting out with our oatmeal, we're starting out with our granola, whatever you want. We did a little breakfast spread, a little breakfast bar. We can go ahead, and of course, I'm going to put some granola on mine.
Atta girl.
Because that's how I roll. You can't. Just for the record, you know,
gluten-free.
I try to.
But you know what I can do?
Yeah,
I can do this.
Of course you can.
Yeah.
And who wouldn't, right? Who wouldn't? But now that's what I love about it. So yes, all of your hot beverages, from your coffee and your tea and your, hot chocolate, but it's so much more than just a mug. It becomes your baker, it becomes your portion control, and it becomes, honestly, a beautiful way to not only gift to yourself, but gift to somebody else something that's practical that they're going to use.
I mean, the to from.
Right.
The to
We always
and
say
from.
bow and go. You don't even need that.
Just go.
Just go.
just go.
Write it out and go.
I love the fact that the mug cakes are available too. Oh my gosh, that's brilliant.
Well, we're going to make one of those, but I don't think you can eat those.
That's okay.
All right.
But you know what? I can appreciate.
You could smell.
Did you say 2,400 have already been ordered this morning? Mug cake information is on your screen. It is a separate purchase. That item number is M65933. Quickly, I just wanted to show you the stripes. Yes. I think in the stripes we are most limited, if I'm not mistaken.
We brought in fewer of these to go around, absolutely, because they're the debut, right? So we never know how you're going to embrace a pattern. But what I love is that it's classic. It's something we have never done before. It's that metallic look, but you don't have to baby it like metallic. It still goes in the oven up to 500 degrees so you can make your French onion soup in here. It still goes in the microwave if you want to reheat in here. We have your champagne, we have your rose gold, and your platinum.
Gorgeous.
Next door, I love our classic. So we debuted this in our mini loaves this year.
Yes.
And it blew out, right? So this is a perfect addition to add there.
So cute. We get the one in green, one in red, one in black, and one in blue.
Yes.
And then color coordinating gift boxes because it's Temp-tations.
And we know someone who's going to pick up the set, keep the blue, and then gift the other three, which I love.
Or keep this set and maybe have to get another one.
Well, true story.
If that happens.
The polka dots. So the polka dots for us are our winter and holiday polka dots. So we did your colors of your blue, your black, your red, and your green. This is the set that goes hand in hand with the whimsy. So if you're picking up the whimsy, pick up this set as well if the budget allows, because you can mix and match the two sets.
Dishwasher safe, which we love.
Yes.
Microwave safe, refrigerator safe, freezer safe. Okay.
And then it's time
Wait a minute.
for the characters.
The winter whimsy. All right, let's discuss for a hot second, okay? Because these are very popular right now. And I'm going to get my Merry Mom voice on.
Okay.
Please don't wait until later on these.
This is the only order of the year.
Please, it's the only order of the year. Look at the little snowman.
And there's the little cardinal on the top of his hat. And as we mentioned, Mary, that design is on the front and the back of the mug, no matter which way you're looking at it. So love that. Again, all the details you come to love from Temp-tations. There, of course, is our gumdrop, our adorable gingerbread. He's got his little scarf and mittens in some of our patterns that you see there. So fun. I think there's someone on our list we can always think of to gift. Down in front we have Penny. I don't know if you saw, but we put together like little Bloody Mary sets where we put a little mix inside there, wrapped it up and gave the gifts. You have the friend, of course, that always loves all the sweet treats. You can put some of your sweet treats in there. You have your bestie, who your beauty girl, and you can put some of your beauty products in there or a gift card. So again, think about these as kind of the base for the gift you want to give. Oh, those eggs are ready. Do you smell those?
I smell. My stomach just went. 3,000 orders have now been placed. This is the deal. It's 4 mugs, 4 gift boxes for $24. We also have those 6 easy payments of $4. Thank you.
This is amazing to me.
Look how pretty.
The fact that busy, on the go, want to get out the door. I just did a beautiful egg bake inside here. Scallions, bacon. Do you see how light and fluffy that is? And we made it in a mug. That's why it's magnificent. Did you like that?
Dramatic pause. Oh, we should stop. Joanne's on the phone. Let's have her save us. Hi, Joanne. My name is Mary. Please meet Tara. How are you?
Good morning, ladies.
Good.
Thank you.
Good morning. And so, have you ever had Temp-tations before?
Oh, yes, quite a few times. I love watching Mary. I think she has so much fun, and Tara. They both have a lot of fun with Temp-tations.
Thank you.
Yes, I have bought them quite a few times before. This set I'm doing build to, ship to, and I'm sending it to my sister. And I know she enjoys it, and she'll enjoy these mugs.
What a good idea.
That's a great idea.
Nice way to share the holiday. Maybe with folks that you aren't able to get together with, or they already get there so that you don't have to carry them with you.
Right.
What a nice idea. What is it, Joanne, that you like about Temp-tations?
Oh, I like everything. I think they coordinate so well. They make such a beautiful table when everything is set out. I mean, I got the old world for her, and I know I've been sending my daughter the old world also. And I remember the first time they came out, there was a yellow set of Old World, and now I don't see that anymore to complete her set. So I keep waiting for that to come back someday. Maybe you'll bring out the yellow in the Old World.
You know, Joanne,
I
it's
think
just
that
like the
was
polka
one
dots.
of the originals.
Yes, it was. Yes, we're always asked. We retire colors, we retire pieces. You know, after 17 years, you have to kind of cycle through a lot of things because we want to keep offering you great new things like today's